In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your site's performance on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're new to Google Sites or just looking for a quick way to ensure your site is running as efficiently as possible, you've come to the right place. Let's start by opening up Google Sites. It's a great tool by Google that lets you create simple websites with ease, perfect for personal projects or small businesses. To begin, head over to Google Sites by entering the URL in your browser. Once you're there, you'll see a dashboard with all your projects. Next, click on the site you'd like to check. This will open up your site in the editor, where you can make any changes necessary. But for today's purpose, we want to focus on analyzing its performance. So what you'll want to do now is look for the Publish option button in the top right corner of your screen. It's usually represented by a small paper airplane icon. Once you spot it, give it a click. With the Publish menu open, select the View Published Site option. This will bring up your live site as it is seen by visitors. From here, you need to copy your site's URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've copied it correctly, as we'll need this URL for the performance analysis. Now, we're going to switch gears and move over to PageSpeed Insights, which is another fantastic tool provided by Google. This tool allows you to analyze the loading performance of your site and gives you suggestions on how to make it faster. Head to their webpage by typing PageSpeed Insights into your search bar and selecting the result that matches. Once you're on their site, you'll see a text box where you can enter the URL. Paste the URL you copied into this box. Make sure it's correct, as an incorrect URL won't give you the results you need. Once you have your URL in place, you'll see a blue button labeled Analyze on the screen. Clicking this button will send your URL off for analysis, and in just a few moments, you'll see a detailed performance report. This report will include both mobile and desktop performance scores, along with a list of detailed suggestions on how to improve your site's speed and performance. PageSpeed Insights will pinpoint areas such as image optimization or JavaScript and CSS minification that can be improved. That's it. You've just learned how to evaluate your Google Sites performance quickly and efficiently, using Google Sites and PageSpeed Insights. This simple process will ensure your website delivers a fast and efficient experience for all your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create smoother